Hey, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, good. How's your day? Oh, good, good. Good. Say, I'm gonna have to buy another tool. Hey there, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. Back to do another tool review. It's another Harbor Freight tool, the Bauer 6-inch, 2.1 amp, 1/3 horsepower benchtop grinder. It's got battery operated LED lights, which I hope I can remember to turn them off. But before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos. I'm trying to do at least one a week, and I need all the help I can get. So let's unbox this thing. So it does appear that there is some assembly required. I wasn't exactly sure how these platforms were supposed to be installed. The directions indicated one way, and the image on the website shows them installed the other way. If anyone knows the right answer, please leave a comment below. All right, let's get the safety glasses on. I need safety glasses to put my safety glasses on. And gloves. And I'm gonna sit here right next to the machine and talk as I'm turning it on. So that way you can hear how quiet it actually is. There's a little whine as it's coming up to RPM, but other than that, it's a very smooth, well-balanced machine. It's a bench grinder. Let's grind stuff. Got a piece of 3/8" rebar I'm going to put a point on. This is the coarse wheel. I'm putting quite a load on it as I'm going. The piece of rebar is actually heating up and starting to blue a little bit. Let's try the fine side. Sounds a little different. I'm also going to be reviewing the Warrior 6-inch wire wheel. I've heard or read some reviews that said it's a little unstable or a little out of balance. So we're going to put that to the test. Let's change that out. Okay, so this 6-inch wire wheel has a 5/8 arbor with 1/2-inch adapter. The adapters are little plastic bushings. Does not appear there's a rotation direction preferred. You can see an issue with this already. These little plastic adapters for the 1/2-inch won't stay tight inside the hole, so I'm going to super glue them into place. Okay, so based on all of the reviews that I read that said that this wheel is completely out of balance, I'm going to protect myself with a piece of 3/4-inch MDF. Looks like it's fine. The grinder is now significantly louder. I tried to trim the wire wheel strands that are contacting the protective cover, but there's just too many. The 1/3 horsepower grinder is now slower to start and really bogs down under a load. From my goofy safety glasses, hearing protection, apron, all the way down to my steel-toed flip-flops, I'm all about safety and protective coverings. That is, unless the coverings reduce the efficiency and use of a tool. Considering what I grew up with, I felt that this modification was definitely worth the risk. So I took the protective cover plate off. It reduced the noise significantly. I now have access to the entire circumference of the wire wheel, and it increased the performance tremendously. Much better. I can put enough pressure on it to actually lift it, and it's barely even slowing down, where earlier I was putting on just a little bit of pressure and it significantly bogged down. So I tried to find some cons with regard to this little benchtop grinder, and there are a couple. It's not perfect. The little protective shield is pretty flimsy, and the plastic seems kind of brittle. The plate, if you put a lot of stress on it, will bend just a little bit. Probably not that big of a deal. And the metal guard is pretty thin, but that doesn't bother me considering what I grew up with. All in all, I give it 5 stars. This is probably one of the most underrated tools in the shop, but it has so many uses, and it was under $50. It's a great tool. So next I'm going to build a stand for it, and that's going to be in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you like the content, please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. This is Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. Thanks for watching.